Thoubal and Kakching District Apunbalup yesterday announced imposing of state-wide public curfew on 8th and 9th of this month, further resolving to launch a non-cooperation movement against the state and central government beginning September 10th. The announcement was met at a convention held yesterday at Sapam Community Hall under Thoubal District on the theme "No More Politics, No More Violence Against Innocent Lives." Thousands of people attended the convention held yesterday, and during the convention, convener of Takdal, Waikhom Jotin, appealed to the people to come out on the streets and burn effigies of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, and Chief Minister N. Biren Singh. He continued that the 4-month-long unrest and violence must be immediately stopped by the central and state government, adding that the state and the central authorities must provide protection to the victims who are on the run, fearing loss of lives, and other adequate measures for their rehabilitation must be taken up by the concerned authorities.
Public curfew asida Manipur la civil society kuna amadi public kuna lamida hoki na asi ko sobabio dona public curfew se to G20 program mas sabna na university kamo ina ko kana kampo chali baru basna asida agogi public curfew 40 hours ko curfew sida Manipur la niyam singa asi ko sobabi bole na Prime Minister, Home Minister, Chief Minister, officially the Sarkar is talking about the I was saying, if he is using a chair, Masim Tingle the Java to the Masim Tabi, who had to send about the Karamjan Kunzari. Madam, according to Masim Popular, Rasasi, and Papa, the broadcast yesterday, Luna, Marisula, to say, Manipur, see the same, Uzin, public sentiment,